Ziyoko bangaye. Viva Shenge viva. Viva Shenge viva. Viva VF Tabisa viva. Amanda. Bulawayo.
Ngiyabingelela kubaphathi bohlelo umfowethu nongumhlonishwa umuntu omuhle Khawula nodokotela uButhelezi. Bingelele kundunankulu wesifundazwe saKwaZulu Natali nakuba engasekho phakathi kwethu. Ngikhuleke enkosini yesizwe samaShenge. Bingelele kuNdlunkulu okaMohale. Bingelele kumntwana uPhumzile. Ngibingelele kuwo wonke umndeni wakwaPhindangene lesizwe abantumzana lesizwe sonke samaShenge. Ngiyabingelela kwindlovukazi uGwabini. Ngibingelele komkankosi uDlamini noNdlovu. Ngibingelele kuNdlunkulu wesilo esesihlalweni okaMulela. Amazinyane esilo esikhothemeyo akhona phakathi kwethu onke. Bingelele kubo bonke abantwana baseNdlunkulu abakhona phakathi kwethu. Ngikhuleke kundunankulu kaZulu inkosi uChiliza. Ngikhuleke enkosini uGumede usekela sihlalo wendlu yesifundazwe saKwaZulu Natali. Ngikhuleke emakhosini onke aseNdlunkulu akhona phakathi kwethu. Sixolise kakhulu bondaba ezethu kuba ningethulwa ngamunye ngamunye. Kodwa siyanibona ukuthi nikhona futhi kusenza siziqhenye kakhulu ngani uma simbona niyingxenye yokugubha usuku lokuzalwa komntwana kwaPhindangene. uDeputy Minister uHlengwa MEC abahloniphekileyo umfundisi uZondi, umama ukaMadlopha Mthethwa, umfundisi uThulasizwe Buthelezi, umphathi wohlelo umntaninkosi uKhawula, uSotswebhu omkhulu ubaba uGwala, uMashobane imeya yeZululand nomgazi Meya Sondini, ubaba umfundisi uThusini, udadewethu umfundisi uLungi M, udadewethu umqondisi omkhulu wesifundazwe uNokuthula Khoza, izinhloko zeminyango ezehlukeneyo zikahulumeni wesifundazwe, uhulumeni kazwelonke nohulumeni basekhaya, bonke abaphathi ngokwehlukana kwesigaba zabo abakhona phakathi kwethu, izinduna nabadidiyeli bebutho. Ngibingelele futhi ngokukhulu ukuhlonipheka ibutho lesilo, izihambeli zonke ezethamele lomgubho wokubungaza impilo eyigugu yomntwana wakwaPhindangene ongabe uhlanganisa iminyaka engu-98 namuhla ukube ubesaphila. Ngiqala ngokwethulela isigqoko uhulumeni wesifundazwe esiholwa uNdunankulu umhlonishwa u-A.T. Ntuli ngokuhlela lolu suku. Angiyibongele inkosi yakwaKhawula uBhova Omnqina aphumule ngokuthula uGabhiza. Ngiyibongela inkosi yakwaKhawula ngoba umntwana wakwaPhindangene wenza umsebenzi omkhulu ngokuthumela indodana yenkosi okuwumhlonishwa umuntu omuhle Khawula ezweni laseMelika, lapho umhlonishwa uKhawula afike wabona khona inhlonipho enikezwe uMartin Luther King edlizeni lakhe, njengoba silibona idliza lomntwana likulesi sigaba elikuso. Umntwana wakwaPhindangene akazange azi ukuthi ngesikhathi ethumela umfowethu umuntu omuhle Khawula phesheya, wayezibekela yena okwamathole ukuba uma esephumule athole inhlonipho emfanele. Ngabe siduku zoswini thina Ndlovu, nalo lonke leli butho umntwana alishiya ngemuva, besingaba nawo umcabango omkhulu wokuhlonipha umntwana wakwaPhindangene, kodwa besingeke sibe naso lesi sithombe ukube uComrade umhlonishwa uKhawula akathunyelwanga umntwana ekuthumela okunye. Yenza njalo-ke incebo enhle, ithi mayithunyelwa okunye ibisifika ibona okuhle okufanele ukuthi buye nakho ukuze kuzuze izwe ethunywe kulo. Ngikhuthaza futhi ngihalalisela uNdunankulu wesifundazwe uMphemba ukuthi konke lokho kuhle akumemezele ekseni ngedlinza lesilo esebuzile nomgubho wekhulu nyaka wempilo yomntwana waPhindangene, ukuba konke lokhu akumemezele ekseni kube impumelelo ukuhlonipha lamaqhawe ase-Afrika, isilo esebuzile nomntwana wakwaPhindangene. Sesilangazelela kufike unyaka ka-2028 sigubhe ikhulu nyaka lempilo yomntwana waPhindangene, lapho leli dlinza liyobe seliphelelisiwe ukuhlonipha impilo nomnikelo womntwana waPhindangene ezweni lakithi. Usuku lwanamhlanje usuku olukhulu kakhulu emlandweni wezwe lakithi, la sikhumbula khona iqhawe lamaqhawe, ifagugu lethu, umdondoshiya wendoda yamadoda. Namhlanje sikhumbula uSibindigidi, usungulo oluzimbulubulu, iqhawe elinamakona ezandleni, amanye amaqhawe enamakona ezinyaweni, umabhange awalingani nawabafokazana. Today, the 27th of August, is a day of profound significance for all of us. It is a day on which one of the South Africa's greatest statesmen, umntwana waphindangene, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, was born. We gather here waphindangene in Mahlabathini, the home of umntwana, to remember a remarkable life, to honor an extraordinary servant of the people, and to reaffirm a legacy that belongs not only to the IFP, not only to KwaZulu-Natal, but to the people of South Africa. Umntwana waphindangene was a leader who devoted his life to the service of others. He served with courage, discipline, and humility. He stood firm in his convictions, even when it was difficult to do so. Today, we honor the champion of negotiations and peace. Umntwana believed deeply in negotiated peace, in democracy, constitutionalism, traditional leadership, and in the dignity of every South African. Umntwana waphindangene was a warrior, the champion and defender of traditional leadership, and a freedom fighter in his own right. The man who built people, but also built institutions, from education, hospitals, clinics, police stations, townships, Itala Bank, Mangosuthu University of Technology, and the town of Ulundi, out of nothing. Umntwana waphindangene did not live for himself. He lived for his people. And because he lived a life of service, his legacy will outlive him. He will never forget him, and you will never forget him. Remembering Ushenge cannot simply mean speaking about him once a year. Remembering him means living the values that guided his life. It means choosing principles over expediency. It means choosing unity over division. It means choosing service over self-interest. And it means defending democracy and good governance. Indeed, it also means remaining faithful to the conviction that politics must ultimately be about improving the lives of our people. In August last year, we gathered here to launch and declare the gravesite of umntwana waphindangene as a provincial heritage site through the KwaZulu-Natal provincial government. That was an important moment. His rest place is more than a grave site. It is a place of memory. It is a place of history. And it must become a place of learning and inspiration for generations to come. Our children and grandchildren must be able to come here and understand who Prince of Waphindangene was, what he stood for, what he sacrificed, and what he achieved for our country. As we remember umntwana's legacy, I am reminded of the words of the former president of Nigeria, His Excellency General Olusegun Obasanjo, when he delivered a keynote address at the Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Memorial Lecture at Inkosi Albert Ntuli International Convention Center in Durban in March 2023. At that time, Umntwana was still alive and was amongst us in that lecture. President Obasanjo spoke directly to Umntwana and said, open quote, "Shenge, your legacy has been cast in gold and will outlive you through generations to come." Close quote. Impela amazwi kaPresident Obasanjo umlando nefagugu lempilo yomntwana owaphindangene ifana nombhalo oqoshiweyo oyobonwa izizukulwane nezizukulwane. Those words have remained true as we see them today. The legacy of Umntwana waphindangene has not disappeared with him passing. His legacy lives. It lives in the institutions he helped to build. It lives in the democratic traditions of our country. It lives in the people he built and served. His legacy lives in the political party he founded, the IFP. And his legacy must live in the conduct of every member and supporter of his values. Impilo yomntwana waphindangene ayiphelele uma ungakakhulumi ngalezi zinto ezintathu. Eyokuqala, ukholo lwakhe. Ma ungakhuluma uze ufike ekugcineni ngomntwana ungakhulumanga ngokholo lwakhe, bangasho abantu ukuthi haya akamazi ke lo mntwana. Ngenxa yokuthi angigcotshiwe mfundisi, anginalo igunya lokukhuluma ngokholo lomntwana, kodwa nina abagcotshiweyo nikhulume kwenela ngempilo yomntwana waphindangene nokholo lwakhe njengesikhonzi ebandleni laseSheji. Yinto yokuqala ke le. Umntwana uma ukhuluma ngaye, uma ungakhulumanga ngayo uzobe ungakhulumi ngomntwana waphindangene. Eyesibili, impilo yakhe engundunankulu kaZulu owaba nenkonzo ende ekhusele ephakamisa ubukhosi bombuso kaZulu futhi esebenzela izwe laseNingizimu neAfrika. Zonke ikhulumi esezikhulume phambi kwami ziwubaluleke umsebenzi womntwana waphindangene, zaze zawuxhoma uphaphe logwalagwala esebenzela isizwe sikaZulu kwizilo ezintathu, kodwa isebenzela iNingizimu neAfrika, elwela ukuba amakhosi anikezwe inhlonipho ewafaneleyo. Yinto ke yesibili ke le. Ma ukhuluma ngomntwana waphindangene kodwa ungakhulumi ngayo, usuke ungakhulumanga ngomntwana waphindangene. Makhosi asendlunkulu, ngifisa ukunika isiqiniseko. Kulezi zinto ezimbili umntwana waphindangene ahamba zingakapheleliswa: udaba lwamandla, powers, roles and functions of traditional and Khoisan leaders. Umthwalo osemahlombe ethu. Inkosi uGumede usekela sihlalo besinaye ngoLwesihlanu ePitoli, la sidingida khona umgudu wokuba kuyolungiswa umthethosisekelo wezwe laseNingizimu neAfrika ukuze amandla nemisebenzi yamakhosi icaciswe ngokupheleleyo kumthethosisekelo wezwe. Yona nkonzo ke esizoyenza kulo mnyaka engiphathise kuwona egameni lomntwana waphindangene. Okwesibili, makhosi aseNdlunkulu, akukho ngisho nomuntu oyedwa wayenombono weNgonyama Trust. Ngisho yedwa. Ngabe kwabamhlophe, ngabe kwanoma yiliphi ibala, noma futhi ngabe yiphi inkosi ekhona, kwaba nje umntwana kuphela kwaphindangene owaba nombono ukuba kushawe lo mthetho iNgonyama Trust, ukuba umhlabathi amakhosi awubhekela isilo, ukwazi ukuba ugcineke ngaphansi kwalo mthetho, ungaweli ezandleni zikahulumeni. Umbono ke womntwana waphindangene ngeNgonyama Trust, makhosi aseNdlunkulu, sizosesekela isilo esesihlalweni ukuba iNgonyama Trust, ngoba wasixoxela thina umntwana. Nanti leli bandla elihleli lapha ngaphambili esasihlala nalo kwi-National Council nakwi-NEC, umntwana waphindangene wasixoxela ukuthi wakuyini inhloso yakhe ngeNgonyama Trust. Inhloso yomntwana waphindangene ngeNgonyama Trust ukuba amakhosi esilo nezizwe zesilo ukuba bagcine ekugcineni benamagunya apheleleyo njengezizwe, ukuba lo mhlabathi uzuzise abantu baseNingizimu neAfrika, makhosi aseNdlunkulu. Umntwana into ayehlalele ePhalamende kwakuyilena, kodwa uNkulunkulu wambiza ingakaphothulwa, isele emahlombe ethu ukuba siyimele egameni lesilo nani zinduna maduna esilo. Yinto ke yesibili lena sebekhulume kakhulu abakhulume phambi kwami ngayo, umnikelo wenziwe umntwana waphindangene njengondunankulu kaZulu. Into yesithathu, ningixolele ke angifaki politiki la, kodwa impilo yomntwana uma ukhuluma ngayo uze ufike ekugcineni ungakhulumanga ngempilo yakhe yezombusazwe neqembu alakha lezombusazwe ukuba libe yizwi labantu baseNingizimu neAfrika, iqembu le-IFP, uzobe awumazi umntwana. The legacy of the Prince of Waphindangene remains the permanent moral and political compass of the IFP and the people of goodwill of our country. That compass must continue to guide the IFP. The IFP leaders and members must never abandon the traditions umntwana waphindangene taught us. We must never allow personal interests to become more important than the interest of the organization, the IFP. And we must never allow divisions to undermine the organization that Shenge spent decades building. Shenge founded and built the IFP on values that remain relevant today, that is solidarity, freedom, and unity in diversity. These are not merely words. These values are principles that must shape how we conduct ourselves as members of the IFP. Our responsibility is to ensure that the IFP continues to grow stronger, broader, and more effective in serving the people. The 2024 general elections demonstrated that the IFP remained a formidable political organization. Before those elections, the IFP was not part of the national government or the KwaZulu provincial government or the Gauteng provincial government. Abantu abaningi nabaprofethi bamanga babethi mhla umntwana wephindangene wahamba emhlabeni kuyophela ngeqembu lakhe. Namhlanje imlomo ikhethile. Waba bengamthanda umntwana. Bethi into yakhe iyophela ngoba kukhona la ebaphazamisa khona. Namhlanje babamba ngezansi ngoba into kaMabhange iphila futhi sazophila ibe yizwi labantu baseNingizimu yeAfrika. Yingakho after the 2024 general and provincial elections, the IFP became part of both the national and provincial governments in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. That was a significant achievement for Umntwana waPhindangene, and it is a story we must tell with pride. Today, the IFP has leaders serving the people of this country at the highest level of government. At national level, we have leaders as young as the Deputy Minister of Transport, uComrade Umkhuleko Hlengwa, the child Umntwana brought up through his hands. And at the national level today, we have the minister in the name of Inkosi Mzamo Buthelezi, a child whom Umntwana wePhindangene brought up through his hands. And again we have Naren Singh as a deputy minister who is also a product of Umntwana wePhindangene. In the Gauteng provincial legislature, we have MEC uDlamini, a child from his early teenage stage, followed Umntwana wePhindangene and learned from Umntwana wePhindangene, and today he is the MEC in the provincial legislature. In KwaZulu-Natal, we have the Premier, Umntwana wePhindangene nabo wahamba engayibonile lento. Kodwa ngoba ngiyakholwa mina mfundisi, angifuni ukuthi ngikholwe emadlozini, ngikholwa impela uNkulunkulu ophilayo. Kodwa ngiyakholwa futhi ukuthi abaleleyo bakhona. Njengoba nje silana Umntwana wePhindangene nengawubonanga lo msebenzi wenzeka. Njengoba simemezela ngawo emgubweni wosuku lwakhe, edlizeni lakhe, isifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal, undunankulu wesifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal umfowethu uMphemba, akukho okunye uMphemba akwaziyo nokumakhileyo ngaphandle koMntwana wePhindangene. Umfundisi uZondi, umfundisi uThulasizwe Buthelezi, udadewethu umama ukaMadlopha Mthethwa, umfowethu uMntomuhle Khawula. Lezi zinsizwa nentombi yakwaMadlopha eyagana kwaMthethwa ezikhuliswe uMntwana waKaPhindangene, namhlanje eziphethe uhulumeni wesifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal. Ngakho-ke uma sigubha usuku lokuzalwa koMntwana waPhindangene, siligubha singenamahloni, siligubha amakhanda ethu sikwazi ukuwaphakamisela phezulu ukuthi shenge inhlamba owethu kwangazo saphila, isithukuthuku owasikhipha usaphila asiphelelanga ezeni njengezithukuthuku zesilwane. Ngihlonipha ukusisho ngegama. Umnikelo umntwana wakwaPhindangene awenzela izwe lakithi siwubona ngomasipala abaphethwe yiqembu lenkatha yenkululeko. Ngo-2021 wahamba umntwana esekubonile lokhu ukuthi ziyabuya indlovu ukuzophatha izwe. Ngo-2021 sazuza omasipala abaningi kulesi sifundazwe saKwaZulu Natali, saphenduka abasebenzi babantu baseNingizimu neAfrika. Namanje-ke masigubha usuku lokuzalwa komntwana waPhindangene, sigubha sinomuzwa ukuthi ngomhla ka-4 November iNingizimu neAfrika yonke izobe iyokhethweni ukuyokhetha amakhansela amasha azophatha omasipala abazoba zinjini zokuletha intuthuko kubantu bakithi. Silugubha-ke usuku lomntwana waPhindangene lokuzalwa sinokukholelwa okukhulu ukuthi bonke abantu bentando enhle baseNingizimu neAfrika ngomhla ka-4 November bayophuma ngobuningi babo baye ey'khungweni zokhetho bese bevumelana ukuthi leli zwe lakithi njengoba sililungisile ngo-2024 sizoqhubeka futhi sililungise ngomhla ka-4 November ukuba mase sikhetha amakhansela ethu sikhethe abantu abazoba zithunywa zomphakathi, zithunywa zezwe laseNingizimu neAfrika. Now we must take the next step. In the coming local government elections, we must put more effort, more energy, and more discipline in our campaigns. We must go to every community. We must listen to every member of society. We must understand the struggles our people go through. We must not end by listening and understanding. We must offer solutions that are practical, credible, and achievable. We must fight to make municipalities the engines of change for our communities. We must do so by always remembering that political power is not the destination, but service to the people is the destination. Where the IFP governs, service delivery must be the order of the day. Where we live, people must see difference. Where we are entrusted with responsibility, we must govern with integrity, accountability, and discipline. This is the standard that Shane set for us and wanted us to follow. And this is the standard we must hold in honor of the legacy of umntwana waPhindangene. As we on the 20th of September 2026 will be launching the IFP Elections Manifesto at Princess Makoko Stadium in Wamashu in eThekwini. Our manifesto will set out our vision and our program for local government. Our manifesto will not simply be a collection of promises. It will be a practical plan for improving the lives of our people. Today, as we gather here to honor umntwana waPhindangene on his anniversary's birthday, let us not be saddened by what we have lost. Instead, let us celebrate all that umntwana gave us. Let us celebrate his enduring legacy. Owesilo umntwana waphinda ngene simkhumbula ngomuzwa owodwa othi uphumule kahle, uphumule ngokuthula shele. Imisebenzi yakho ayisocima, mikhulu izindunduma njengezintaba zasondini nokhahlamba. Ngisho izizukulwane ezizayo ziyozwa ngayo futhi ziyibone ngamehlo. Umoya wakho Shenge uphile njalo phakathi kwethu, ifa gugu olishiyele isizwe. Sizolibheka sililondoloze ngoba nathi sinesibopho ukuba leli ifa gugu lishiye kithi siledlulisele kwisizukulwane esilandelayo njengefa lezizukulwane ezizayo. Long live the spirit of Shenge. Long live. Long live. Long live the spirit of Shenge. Long live. Long live. Siyabonga mphathi ohlelo.